Today we are doing a video of eating. Yeah. And my sister's here. Hi guys. And yeah, we just started eating right now. We're so hungry, so yeah, we are hungry. Let's start eating. Let's start eating.
And we got Burger King.
Yeah, we got Burger King and
We got cheeseburgers, chicken fries, and onion rings.
Yeah.
And chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Let's start eating.
Yeah, what should we start?
Let's start eating, but let's start with the burger. Actually, I wanna take a bite of this chicken nugget.
The chicken fries.
I know you love chicken fries, right?
Look at it.
Look at it.
I'm gonna get some water.
Here you go. Have a bite. I can't even touch the screen. Can't even touch the screen. Have a bite if you want. Can take a look at the chicken nugget. There you go. That's better. Can you get me one? Okay.
I'm gonna get it for you.
Oh, I can't get it for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a bite of my burger.
I'm gonna take it first.
You can take one.
And then
Okay, no. How do you get your water?
there.
Open your sweet and sour.
You want
You don't want?
Do you want it?
That can be mine if you don't want. Yeah. This one's right.
Chicken fries.
Here, take a look of chicken fry. There you go. So this is so yummy.
The burger time.
I was just kidding if I had my burger.
What in your burger?
I was just kidding if I had my burger.
Yeah, your birthday.
Not my birthday.
Mm.
Did I put this? Actually, no, not plain. That's good. It's plain. So plain. Plain.
Yeah.
And both of ours are plain cheeseburgers. I'm gonna finish my chicken fry.
spicy, the chicken fries.
I know. Crispy. Crispy. It's crispy and crunchy. Yeah, I know it is. That's what it says. Now we have to drink water. This is my chicken fry again. I was gonna say that again because I had to finish my chicken fry. I love chicken fries.
Me too.
I love doing videos.
It tastes so good. I love doing videos in my channel. It's like fun.
Make sure I'm gonna be doing my videos.
My channel's name.
Please give my sister a view because you're not giving her any views. So you should visit her channel.
They don't have the name. I'm gonna tell you the name.
You can tell your name of channel.
You say it. You say it.
My sister's channel is called Time with Azaria.
It's called
So you should subscribe to her channel.
Playtime with Elsa Maria.
Yeah, you should subscribe to her channel. Why does this keep sticking? You're good subscriber. I almost have a lot of subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel a lot more times.
Mine's too.
Yeah.
Check out my new videos.
Yeah, you should check out her new videos.
I'm gonna upload one today. I think.
If you could, if you want to,
Of Roblox.
Roblox, I have Roblox.
What's your username?
Nobody knows.
Oh, nobody knows one.
Yeah?
Mine is Bubbly Ice 13. Bubbly Ice 13. Now I hope I don't get hacked.
Me too.
No, don't. I won't do it.
I love cheeseburgers.
Especially
My
the
last bite and then I'll keep eating it. Get my bite. Have a bite. This is my last bite and then I'll keep eating. Are you done eating?
the cheeseburger.
You don't want anything green. There's one chicken on the left. You can still eat the chicken fries. you're not done yet, but you can still eat the chicken thighs. That's the only food you have left.
I've already said this is my only bite. I was going to tell you, you can't judge my bites. You can't judge my food. You can't judge what I'm eating.
I said that is the only food you have left. Yes, that is correct. I wasn't judging you of your bikes.
I love cheeseburger. I love more.
I know you love them. That I love too. I like drinking water. I don't know what it was.
Me too. It tastes so plain.
I know.
But it tastes refreshing. It's refreshing.
Refreshing. It tastes like refreshing, but plain.
My last bite with this, and I'll have you the other things.
What?
This one.
Isn't this steak? Don't stick on me again. Don't stick on me again. This until it's done. So I'll use this one. Oh. What?
Guys, I'm gonna go get a refill.
Oh, what?
Refill. I got my refill. Let me tell you a funny joke.
Why?
Do you like that joke?
I do not like it because
Listen, the joke is says like, why is 6 scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. It's like the number 8. 9.
After I take this bite, or he takes a bite, I think we have to say bye. Because this video shouldn't be any longer. Right?
Yeah.
He says this video shouldn't be any longer. He told me that.
And the McDonald's video is different.
Did you see his McDonald's video with Harlow? He doesn't like the title, like,
Because it doesn't say any sense. It doesn't even make any sense. Be careful if you copyright it. I don't want you to copy it. My last bite. It's my last bite. Bye guys, but before we leave, please subscribe to my channel. We have to say bye. See you soon. Bye.